everyone, today we're going to go through the step-by-step instructions of how to enroll in PCM Credit Union's virtual branch online banking. You'll want to begin by opening your internet browser and going to www.pcmcu.org. You will then be redirected to our PCM Credit Union homepage, where on the left-hand side in the gray boxed area you will click on Sign Up. Then we will be taken to the first step of the enrollment process, where you will enter in your PCM Credit Union account number, the last 4 digits of the primary account holder's social, the entire primary account holder's social security number, followed by the address number, which if you look at the example, it's just the number of your street address, not the entire street address. Then open the Terms and Conditions link. Quickly skim through them, and when you are finished, X them out. Check the box and click Continue. Step 2 brings us to Setup, where you will create a logon ID and security code for yourself. What's important to remember here is that your logon ID should be something unique that's also hard enough that others would not be able to identify it. Yet, it should also be something that is easy for you to remember. Same goes with your security code. Another important thing here is that security code means the same thing as password. So if you're familiar with the term password, you can also look at it that way. Please make note that your logon ID must be between 6 and 50 characters, and your security code or password must be between 8 and 16 characters, and have at least 2 numbers and 2 letters. Also remember to record your security code in a safe place because PCM Credit Union does not have access to this information. After creating the logon ID and security code, you'll verify your security code by entering it again, then entering your email address, and then click Enroll. The next step confirms your enrollment in PCMCU's virtual branch. Once you have made record of your logon ID and security code, please click on the green Click Here link to get to the logon screen for virtual branch. After you have completed enrollment and for all future interactions on PCMCU's virtual branch, from the home page, you can just simply click on Login, which will bring you to the same login page that we are currently at in the enrollment process. Continuing with the initial enrollment instructions, you will now log in again as a returning user with your unique logon ID and security code, or password. By clicking OK, this brings us to our next step of entering a security phrase. Entering a security phrase adds protection to keep unauthorized users from gaining access to your account. Your security phrase should not be the same as your security code. The phrase is meant to verify the authenticity of PCMCU's website. So for your security phrase, if you choose I love dogs, then every time you log in to PCMCU's virtual branch, you should see the phrase I love dogs. This means that the online banking website is secure. The last step before gaining access to your account information is to select 3 challenge questions and provide the answers to each. You can use the Dropbox arrow to select from a list of questions. These questions will be used to confirm your identity when you log on with a computer that is different than the one you are using for enrollment. Again, it is very important to remember these answers. The credit union does not have access to your security questions or answers. Therefore, we recommend that you write them down and keep them in a safe location along with your logon ID and security code. And that's it, you're in. You can now see the Overview tab along with all the other tabs that allow you to do things in Virtual Branch Online Banking. You can see the list of your accounts with the actual balances in them and the available balances. And when exiting Virtual Branch, always make sure to click on the X in the top right-hand corner to make sure that you've successfully logged out of online banking. When exiting, the last screen that you will see will tell you are now logged off of home banking, which means you have successfully logged out of Virtual Branch. If you have any questions regarding Virtual Branch Online Banking, you can contact the main office at 920-499-2831 or the Marinette office at 715-732-4051. See you next time!